Hi guys, so sorry, I'm tired. I just got home from watching Titanic in 3D, thanks to my friend Ashley's boyfriend, because he wanted to go see it, not even me. Anyways, this is Haley. She's 11 years old, and she's making weird faces at me, and noises and sounds and motions and faces. I mentioned weird faces. She's not saying her turn at me right now, but she was earlier. It was kind of funny.
So you're making a video earlier, but you can see it, so I'm making this one.
Don't listen to her. Anyways, so, yeah. Here we are, making video at like 1 or something in the morning.
It's 12:58.
We can't really be very loud because our grandma's going to wake up and then she's going to yell at us. And it's going to be very scary.
Scary.
I'm tired as fuck. I have to work tomorrow. And I'm babysitting until I work. Shut up, I get it. It's scary. Anyways, so, yeah. Good night. Sorry for the boring video, just
Scary.
making a video, seeing how I haven't made a video since my first adventure. And now this is going to go on YouTube. If you guys think of anything I should make a video on, why don't you just tell me in the comments below. Night.